Grade 1, The Science Factor, Unit 9, page number 54. The solar system. A solar system, I'll do the reading first. A solar system is made up of a large star and all the planets that orbit that star. There are many solar systems in the universe. 9.1, our solar system. We are in a solar system. In our solar system, the star that the Earth orbits is called the Sun. So, the Earth orbits around the Sun. 8 planets orbit around the Sun. There are total 8 planets that orbit around the Sun, and those are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Then, page number 56, our planet. Do not move at all. Do you think you are moving? Well, you're always moving. You're always moving because the Earth is always moving. So, as we get to know that Earth revolves around the Sun, so we are moving. We're always moving, but it's but the Earth's movement is so slow and so steady that we don't understand that how we're moving, or we don't get that whether we are moving or not, but we are moving. The Earth travels around the Sun. It takes the Earth 1 year to travel all the way around the Sun. So Earth travels this much slowly that it takes the Earth 1 year to travel all around the Sun. The Earth also spins around. It also spins around. See? This means that sometimes your home faces the Sun. That is why it's day. And it also means that sometimes your home faces away from the Sun. That is why it's night. Then page number 58, the moon. When you look up at the sky at night, you might see the moon. Do you think moon orbits the Sun? The moon orbits the Earth like the Earth orbits the Sun. So there's a movement. There's a movement all around. That Earth moves around the Sun. The Earth moves around the Sun, and the Sun and the moon moves around or revolves around or orbits around the Earth. Now you have to do page number 59 on your own. It's a solar system crossword. You will have to do that on your own. Also, you have to do the page number 59 of your workbook, science workbook. That is that you have to color the drawing of the solar system. Also, you have to learn the spellings of the planets. And then page number 30 that you have to draw Sun, Earth and the Moon. Now, the question answers. We were done with the all previous question answers. Only our one question was left, and that was of the moon. Page number 58. Question number 6. Do you think the moon orbits the Earth? The answer is yes. The moon orbits the Earth like the Earth orbits the Sun. Then you have to solve the worksheet. It's unscramble the names of planets. What the worksheet is about basically, it is okay. Now we will solve the worksheet. The worksheet is about unscramble the names of the planets. We have given you the wrong spellings of the planets, or unscrambled names of the planets. What you have to do is you have to look that what makes a correct planet's spelling. As if I'll give you the example, EMRCYUR. It's no word, but you have to look through this word. You have to see that what could be the word that came out through these wrong spellings. So it's Mercury, EMRCYUR. If we just organize it, it makes MERCURY, Mercury. Likewise, you have to do all the 8 planets like this. Scramble the words. Now we have 3 circle the correct answers MCQs. Your first MCQ is Uranus comes after which planet? And the options are Saturn, Venus, Mercury. That you have to do it on your own. Second is Mars comes after which planet? Venus, Earth, Uranus. Now think and solve it. Now there's also another worksheet of the solar system. Fill in the blanks. A solar system is made up of dash star and all the planets that dash the star. Think and write. Then, so blank number 2 is dash planets orbit the sun. Blank number 3. In our solar system, the star that dash orbits is called the dash. The dash, blank number 4, the dash travels around the sun. Number 5, it takes the earth dash to travel all the way around the sun. 6, the earth also dash around. 7, the moon dash the earth like the earth orbits the dash. End of the fill in the blanks. Then we have true and false. The earth travels around the planet. Number 2, 8 planets orbit the sun. Number 3, Venus comes after Mercury. Number 4, there are many solar systems in the universe. Number 5, Uranus comes after the Saturn. Then the moon orbits the earth like the earth orbits the sun. Then in our solar system, the star that the earth orbits is called the Saturn. Now you have to write true and false, and then you have to fill the blanks up.